Hi, sue.oneschuk here for lesson 27 of the workbook of A Course in Miracles. So I will start off by reading the lesson 27. And it is, above all else, I want to see. Today's idea expresses something stronger than mere determination. It gives vision, priority among your desires. You may feel hesitant about using the idea on the grounds that you are not sure you really mean it. This does not matter. The purpose of today's exercise is to bring the time when the idea will be wholly true a little nearer. There may be a great temptation to believe that some sort of sacrifice is being asked of you when you say you want to see above all else. If you become uneasy about the lack of reservation involved, add, vision has no cost to anyone. If fear or loss still persists, add further. It can only bless. The idea for today needs many repetitions for maximum benefit. It should be used at least every half hour and more if possible. You might try every 15 or 20 minutes. It is recommended that you set a definite time interval for using the idea when you wake or shortly afterwards, and attempt to adhere to this throughout the day. It will not be difficult to do this, even if you are engaged in conversation or otherwise occupied at the time. You can still repeat one short sentence to yourself without disturbing anything. The real question is, how often will you remember? How much do you want today's idea to be true? Answer one of these questions and you have answered the other. You will probably miss several applications and perhaps quite a number. Do not be disturbed by this, but do try to keep on your schedule from then on. If only once during the day you feel that you were perfectly sincere while you were repeating today's idea, you can be sure that you have saved yourself many years of effort. So the lesson is, above all else, I want to see. So the purpose of this lesson is to bring closer the day when you want vision more than everything else. That is Christ's vision of love, of peace, of joy, of happiness. So lesson 20 was, I am determined to see. And in this first line, the first line of today's lesson, it says, today's idea expresses something stronger than mere determination. It puts the desire to see into first place above all else. I want to see more than anything else. Now, you might fear that this will cost you something. Although it states there right in the lesson, vision has no cost to anyone. It can only bless you. Again, you may not understand this at this point, and it's not about the understanding. It's about doing the exercises that they ask you to do. And, as you're going along in the study of this, it'll become much more clearer to you. How it is that you're actually at this time avoiding Christ's vision. So, and again, it says to do this every half hour and even do it every 15 minutes. And all they're asking you to do is to simply say, above all else, I want to see. That's it. And I'm going to repeat it again, paragraph 5, because it says the real question is, how often will you remember? And how much do you want today's idea to be true? That's an inquiry to be in. It says, answer one of these questions, and you've answered the other. And you will probably miss several applications, it says, and perhaps quite a number of them. But again, it's telling you, do not be disturbed. Do not hold yourself guilty or, you're not doing this perfectly. No. But do try to keep your schedule from then on. So if you, just do your best. And it says, here's the thing. If only once during the day you feel you were perfectly sincere while you are repeating today's idea, above all else, I want to see, you can be sure that you have saved yourself many years of effort. So there's something else here that I wanted to add. And it is that, this course is helping you to see your unconscious fear of love. And some of them even may be conscious, because, society has shown us that loving is associated with sacrifice and with suffering. And let us remember, the ego does not want you to love. If there's love, the ego doesn't exist. So again, this lesson is asking, how much do you want today's idea to be true? Above all else, I want to see. All right, continue on. The next lesson in the next video will be lesson 28. I look forward to being with you then. Have a wonderful day.